G'day legends, a few weeks back I had an opportunity to go out with Humble Empire Cruises. Check it out. Tell us about Humble Empire, man.
Oh, yeah.
What's the go?
Like, just me and my brother starting up a little channel, you know. Trying to get some of the people together.
Yeah? Looking for new guys to cruise with you?
Hey?
You're looking for more to cruise with you as well? Yeah?
We'll come down, we'll get together, we've got the kids running around.
Cool, man.
Yeah, just a family friendly event. Just to
Love it.
everyone's building.
We know all about that car, you've seen it on the tube. Not my fault, sounds cool. Nice LSA in there. Audi. Sweet. Supercharged. Oh yeah. Oh, listen to this thing, mate. It is so sweet. The feature on this the other day. Not better. Hang on, bud. I'm going around the back, but I'm going to put my finger in one ear. Guys, got some music going in the car park. Barbecue. Sausage sizzle off the back of the ute. How cool is that? 6 cars here tonight. Dogs running around. The lights flashing over